Prepositions: in, on, or at. He has a doctor's appointment. 10 o'clock, Tuesday. In, on, or at. The answer is at and on. At 10 o'clock on Tuesday. I prefer to take a bath the morning. In, on, or at. In the morning. We will go to Siargao. April 6th. On April 6th. My friends and I eat together lunchtime. In, on, or at. At lunchtime. We watch movies the weekend. Correct. On the weekend or at the weekend.